We'll have a very good morning. It's a day again where a lot of caution basically would be there on the street here. Because on one side, again, you're talking about how basically the markets are shaping up. Bets actually are indicative of a big swing, which is going to happen in the next 2 3 sessions. 200-point swing or more than 200-point swing is again what traders are betting for. A lot of out of the money calls, out of the money puts are being bought into for that type of swing here. Futures, if I take a look, no major commitment on the future side. FIs have increased net long portions in futures, but I don't actually take a major cue from that. The question here would be if the Gujarat elections they throw a positive result in the favor of BJP, more likely that we are basically are going to cross or basically reach 10,350 in a hurry. And also again, FIs actually have increased the net long portions by 200 basis points, so from 52 to 54% here. But broadly, calls, puts, everything is same here. What happens if BJP loses elections in Gujarat? I think we might be testing 10,000 levels, I think, in a hurry. Whether we break it or not, huge open interest, you support, we don't break it, that's a different question. But again, we basically are preparing for a good 200-point swing here. In that context, if I look at the data here, and the data actually tells me that Bank Nifty right now, no major commitments, but again, some sort of long call addition at 25,500. So that is one factor you have to be mindful about. So overall, Bank Nifty, I think traders actually are liking to bet more on the Nifty at present rather than Bank Nifty. So I would say if you basically want to trade, it's not a day for you to trade. It's a day where you have to just wait and watch and basically react in terms of what is happening on the screen. But broadly, it's not a good day to commit anything in derivatives here. It's very silent, low volumes, what we are seeing the last two sessions. So, and that's all not good and conducive for a good strategic trade here. You need to have a good high hit rate if you want to trade. And even if you want to invest, I think you basically have to either be very stock specific or either you have to actually let the market first pass through the event risk here. So I think that is a prudent strategy here. So in terms of data, again, what I'm telling you is that number one, basically, for Nifty, again, it's a 200-point plus swing. That sort of bets are being placed out of the money calls, out of the money basically. Puts here 9,900 puts, 10,500 calls. Those actually have become highly active. And also in terms of futures, again, basically the premiums have been reducing, all indicative and a high volatility, all indicative of a good sort of storm which is going to come by in the next 2-3 sessions here. Now, which stocks basically would be looking good? I will be telling that. And again, those stocks would be primarily result reactions. So if I look at the results here, Pratap Snacks, again, the recently listed company here, delivered very good results. In terms of EBITDA, again, 2.4 times, net profit has increased 2.4 times, margins have expanded almost from 5% to 10%. That's a good set of numbers. The stock again should be reacting positively. Number two would be Shemaru Entertainment. Margins again basically have expanded. Net profit is up 30%. So again, that's a good set of numbers here. So Shemaru, Pratap Snacks, both again very solid set of numbers. Average scan to cylinders, the console numbers again are looking quite good. And again, it has been good sort of volume growth story for them in the domestic India market. So again, for average counter also, it looks like a good second quarter. Third quarter perhaps could be looking even better. So again, these are looking good. In addition to that, STC India, that company also delivered very robust set of numbers here. So four companies, STC India, Shemaru, Everest Counter Cylinder, and Pratap Snacks, they actually have delivered good set of results. Four stocks, basically which you can look forward to some sort of positive sentiments. But then I would be wary about the remaining because if the market open gap up, it actually is going to be a good opportunity for the traders to play for a pullback here. So it's a good day and also basically not worth actually talking about sort of over leveraged positions here. Take care and keep me posted.